Are you ready to have your mind derailed? Over the last 3 years, I have been working to completely reinvent the concept of the ghost train. People can expect a heart-stopping experience that includes grand illusion, live action, and special effects that will completely rewrite the rules of what theme parks can do. This experience will take you on a 13-minute journey through fear. My team is set to deliver a revolutionary experience, and guests will be left wondering where perception ends and reality begins.
Behind me in this Victorian warehouse is a 20-metre Victorian train carriage hung above the ground with iron chains. This is a world first, a fully immersive, mind-blowing experience for every passenger.
Over 1,000 specialists have come together to create this experience, and I believe this represents the future for theme parks across the world. Let me take you on a journey. That will make you wonder, is your mind playing tricks on you? Or are my tricks playing on your mind? Derail your mind on a ghost train like no other. My ghost train. Derren Brown's Ghost Train, only at Thorpe Park Resort.
We, at the Derren Brown Ghost Train Company, would like to announce a major train refurbishment program is currently taking place. And in response to your feedback, we are working very hard, 24/7, to make your journey deeper, darker, more intense, and of course more convenient. Despite rumors of a viral outbreak, we assure you, the traveling public, that our services will be back on schedule very soon. All change. Derren Brown's Ghost Train. Rise of the Demon.
Who's there? Don't worry. This is your stop. Rise of the Demon on Derren Brown's Ghost Train, only at Thorpe Park Resort.